Among the best things about this hotel is the dining area, where guests can enjoy a beautiful view from a high-rise location. But when heavy rain and strong wind come together, it can affect dining comfort. Now, everything changes after Zipguide, the new expert, was installed in several areas around this dining space. It is designed to improve protection without blocking the view. Wind impact is reduced, rain splash is better controlled, sun exposure feels more comfortable. The result? A high-rise dining experience that is better protected and more enjoyable from morning breakfast to evening dining. Zipguide, the new expert, is engineered for Malaysia's harsh wind and rain with a structure that is truly windproof, safe, durable, beautiful, easy to use. Visit our showroom in Seri Kembangan and experience it yourself.